भगवान जाने. See, it's always you.
So apparently, Lakshya has decided that today's vlogs is in my hands.
हमने decide करा that Nisa is going to be vlogging and tell them what we're doing today.
We're doing Diwali Prep.
So मैंने निशा को बुलाया. We're doing दिवाली का decorations. आज तो हम करेंगे थोड़ा सा DIY, थोड़ा सा लगाना वगाना, blah 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 blah. We'll probably listen to some music, do some things. But the thing is, कि आज whatever she vlogs will be posted in the vlog. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. See you just now.
Alright. Okay, anyway, we're busy doing this, right? So हमारा table अभी ऐसे दिख रहा है कुछ. But my phone was charging, that's why we weren't able to film anything. But now that it's a little bit charged, I'm just gonna hand it over to Nisa. Now she can do whatever she wants with it.
Okay.
Tell them what you were saying.
So I was saying we're back, and Lakshya has said something that really has made me want to go.
I want to go home.
But I can't because she has also employed me. If you ask what my salary is, it's lunch. We just still haven't to see if there's yet because I said that I will eat when she eats and she ain't gonna eat, so.
No, hold on. She's being crazy. She's saying things that, like, this girl is literally acting like I'm here forcing her and doing all of these things. But, like, she's here out of her own free will. Guys, and also, by the way, I just want you guys to know that I had breakfast.
Show them my organ skill.
Oh my god! Wow!
I just want all of the darshaks to know that I had breakfast at literally 10 o'clock, okay? And she doesn't eat breakfast, so obviously she's gonna feel hungry. It's like 2 o'clock now, so obviously she's gonna feel hungry. I literally just had lunch. Lunch! I keep saying lunch. I just had breakfast, okay?
Guys, if it's 4 hours has passed, does it mean you've literally just had something?
What did you say? Say it again.
If 4 hours have passed, does it mean that you have literally just had something? Let me know in the comments below.
But yeah, obviously. Also, guys, look at the current situation of our table. Hold on. So this is how our table is looking. Lisa has 2 water bottles here for God knows what reason.
I had coffee because Lakshya doesn't drink coffee, right? Because she's allergic to caffeine.
So she got coffee in there.
In a Stitch.
Wow.
In
Amazing.
sponsorship with Stitch.
Right, and
then I've got a water bottle.
Wow,
I
amazing.
smelled it because hot.
Okay, so that's that. And then these are all of the little things that we're doing.
Oh!
Anyway, yesterday I made this little wall hanging thing.
She came here because she wants the good lighting.
Obviously. I think you guys were really tired of seeing us in the bad lighting over there.
Next question.
I think the lighting didn't make a difference, but...
So once again, you don't think the lighting made a difference, but look at our faces and how they're shiny here, like we want Vaseline smothered on it. And over there we were looking like...
It doesn't make a difference. Difference is not made.
Anyway, yeah, so yesterday I made this thing, right? And obviously we're still doing things like Nisa's still making them right here, right? Because I said she's only getting lunch after she finishes this.
I don't want to talk about this anymore.
Today we're going to actually finish it up, so that's what we're doing. That's what's all on the table over there. And we're gonna try and film as much as we can. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. It's gonna be Masti and Mazak and chaos, obviously.
As always.
As always.
We don't do anything else. Not catering anything else.
Okay, chalo, my hand is now getting tired by holding this thing. See you later. Well, just now, for you. Anyway.
Now we're finally having that lunch break. Then I have to go fetch my brother and his friend from school. Finally, we're taking a break and finally she's feeding me. And then we're going to...
Stop acting like... She used to stop acting like I'm some terrible person who's not feeding her.
Did I say you were terrible?
I'm literally just a girl.
So there's my pasta, and then she also baked muffins for me.
Oh my gosh, guys! So
It's the first time she baked these muffins, cappuccino flavors, and I really enjoyed it. She used the yogurt of the Greeks.
Guys, I made eggless because we don't eat eggs, right, in the house. I made eggless muffins this morning with Greek yogurt. That's a good substitute. I haven't had it as yet because. You know,
caffeine allergy. Right, this is not art, this is barely pasta. Did I say anything wrong?
Yes! How people can be so fake is beyond me.
There's too much aggression, there's too much passion.
Hi guys. Is it not nice?
I didn't. Did I say
So
it's
why
not
did you
nice?
look at me like that? It's crazy.
We didn't get my Coke, by the way. We did not get my Coke, by the
I
way.
heard you. Better नहीं हूँ मैं सुन सकता. Cut. I'm never ever vlogging with Nisa ever again. मैंने तोड़ दी दोस्ती. Our दोस्ती is खत्म from now on.
This is the 6th time today she's broken the friendship, by the way.
अब हम जा रहे हैं निशा के भाई को लेने उसके स्कूल से, तो वहाँ पे चलते हैं. यार याद है स्कूल की यादें जब हम स्कूल में होते थे ना. माय गॉड क्या टाइम था यार वो स्कूल वाला टाइम. बट अभी टाइम नहीं है वो टाइम याद करने का. अभी जाना है जरा उसको लेने. अभी 3 बजने वाला और 3 बजे एक्चुअली हमें उनको पिकअप करना है. सो थैंक गॉड द स्कूल इज लाइक राइट हियर 2 मिनट के रास्ते में. चलो चलते. निशा को नया शौक चढ़ रखा है. She said,
What naya shock? I've always liked driving, you know that.
okay, so, but, okay, I don't understand. So, let her explain to you. Hold on.
What?
Explain
Explain what?
what you're saying.
I'm saying I want to take a driving course.
Okay,
Because I
but you
want
know
to
how
do-
to drive already.
That's not the point. I want to do it so I can do tricks and things, fun things in my car.
Look what they have. Asters. Guys, I love these. So, in India, there's this thing, it's called like gems. It's kind of like gems, but I love asters. Guys, it is so hot. It's like,
It is literally, guys, like, I'm on fire.
like, she got her Coke, by the way. Right, I just want
And
to
it's already melting, guys.
It's already melting. Like, guys, it is so. It's like mind-bogglingly
This
hot.
heat is not for the weak.
Anyway, we have to go home. It is currently 3:30, and we actually need to go and then pick up my brother. So we're going to just go home through there. She needs to do some work. I'm gonna try and finish up the little jharmas quickly, and then मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
So we're back home. Lakshya is doing
Hard
this.
at work.
See you. Plus minus. In 2 seconds, actually, for the vlog.
Why is this guy driving so slow? Oh, and he's gonna turn.
Sorry, guys. She's a picky shoemaker over there. Not see you tomorrow.
Okay.
But I probably like that day
Okay.
when I said not coming but came.
Okay. What is it?
You're singing a very different version of the song.
Why? What's the song? Sing it.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना तेरे जिक्र जुबां पे सुहाग रखना. I don't know, probably something like that.
Anyway, the only thing that is proved is none of us are going to Mumbai.
She speaks for herself.
I'm emotionally stressed.
I've literally put my saman over there because we're not leaving anytime soon. I've literally been standing here for 20 minutes trying to film this outro. Oh my god. Anyway, let's be serious. We will see you guys. Well, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow for me, later on in this vlog for you guys. But yeah, see you guys in the morning. Guys, guess what? Next day. I mean, obviously you guys can see it's the next day, but like I am so excited to show you guys what we have done for the house. Oh my gosh. But I'll show you guys that when I come back home. Until then, watch the clips from yesterday, well, from last night, that I was actually like doing the stuff. Okay, my mom's ready to go and it's very loud, but my mom's ready to go. I need to go to the mall real quick because I need to get glue gun sticks and some other thing I can't remember. It's like stick up my things, and then I still need to make more things that is going to be in this vlog. I'm going to try and do all of the Diwali things in this vlog so that when the next vlog is posted, it's actually of Diwali content and not setting up for Diwali. But my mom's waiting, so I gotta rush. You watch the clips. मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 8:30 और आई नीड टू स्टार्ट डूइंग माई थिंग्स. पर अभी मैंने सारी लाइक झरमर अभी बनाए नहीं, तो मुझे वो पहले कंप्लीट करना है एंड देन हम लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. तो लेट्स डू इट. भगवान जाने. See, it's always you. It's always
So why
you.
is it at the edge of that thing?
गाइज मेरे को लगा कि मेरा भाई मेरा भला कर रहा है कि ये टेबल मूव कर रहा है कि तो मैं टीवी देख सकती हूँ वहाँ पे. कुछ भला नहीं कर रहा, उसने सारा सामान मेरा ड्रॉप
So
कर
why
दिया.
is it on the edge?
It wasn't. It literally wasn't on
You
the
didn't-
edge. तो टेबल हो गई है मूव. वहाँ पे बहुत सामान फैल रखा है हमारी टेबल पे. मुझे पता है गाइज. थैंक यू. प्लीज डू नॉट टेल मी हाउ डर्टी माई टेबल इज. Thank you. Anyway, all of my saman is there. Let me show you. So these are the things that I'm talking about. These are the hanging garlands, and I'm going to have them basically be here. But the plan is to have like garlands all over वहाँ पे, and then I'm gonna do like something else, and I'm trying to get that done tonight. Guys, look at how cute it looks. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to just finish up the rest of the things, and then I'll show it to you guys in the morning. Well, for me in the morning, for you later on this vlog, but let me do it. ओके गाइस, हम निकल रहे हैं मॉल के लिए. मॉल आ गए गाइस. अब हम करेंगे जस्ट अपना कोटा ख़त्म शॉपिंग का. होपफुली आज सब हो जाए, देन हम मूव ऑन कर सकते हैं एक्चुअल तैयारी में. माय मम्स गॉन सो फार लाइक आई एम सम स्ट्रेंजर. एनीवे चलो, हम वैली पहुंच गए. हम पहले भी यहाँ पे आए थे कल के व्लॉग में, बट आई जस्ट नीड टू गेट सम ग्लू और कुछ और देखेंगे. अगर कुछ और मिल जाता थोड़ा सा करने के लिए. दिमाग में तो बहुत है कि क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं कर सकते, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे करेंगे. ओके गाइस, हम आ गए वापस मॉल से और मैं आपको क्विकली दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि ये सब डेकोरेशंस कैसे लगते हैं दिन में. सो दैट इज हाउ इट्स लुकिंग. दिस इज लाइक माई फेवरेट. दिस इज सो cool, you guys. Like, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with these. And then basically this just continues all the way to the top there. So that's what it's looking like right now. I'm actually so obsessed with these. I made these on shorts, so if you want to go watch the short, I'll link it in this video. But yeah, so I'm thinking my dimag is like churning, and I'm thinking that these like golden ribbons, I want to have it on my showcase as well. This showcase is a big part of our house, so I was thinking if we can maybe have the gold ribbons going down here and down there as well, so it can kind of match this, you know. But I think it's gonna look so cool when it's done. So for now I'm just gonna continue with my things. I'm gonna try and film as much as I can, but if not, I'm just gonna show you guys the end product because this video is gonna be so long anyway. But yeah, okay, let's get back to work. You have to see mera dimag kitna tez hai. So this is the idea, right? And I was telling you guys I want to put it on there as well. Let me show you. Look how cool that looks. And yes, I'm watching my vlogs, which means you guys should watch it too, whatever. But look at how cool it looks. So now what I'm thinking is, now this whole place is a blank space, right? Now we need to figure out something to do over there, which I think I have an idea. So again, like I said, let me finish it and then I'll show you guys. Because the thing is, I want to film doing it and putting it up, but it's just gonna take too much of time, and then I'm not gonna get anything done, and it's just gonna be a whole big mess. So let me do it and then I'm back. And I want to show you guys something, right? So I got these big letters. So I've put up happy over there, like a happy banner, and then I'm gonna have helium balloons that say Diwali, right? But now here's the thing. These balloons are huge, and I didn't know how much they were in inches because we don't have inches, but they're 32 inches, which I have Googled to be like 80 centimeters or something. So these are huge. Now I don't know if they're gonna even fit in there. But here's another issue. They didn't come with straws, right? So now I'm like, how am I going to blow this up? And my mum, dimag dad, she's like, just use the straw of a juice box. So I get a sweet treat after I finish my work anyway. So yay. Anyway, I'm going to put this up. I'm going to see how it looks. But guys, it is looking so cool. But yeah, chalo, dekhte hain. So this is what it's looking like currently. Okay guys, chalo, I need to go pick up Lakshay. But also I got a blister on my hand yesterday because I touched the hot glue by mistake. So amazing. Chalo. I'm gonna go pick up my brother from office, but I want to end the vlog here actually because this video is getting way too long, and I know it's going to be so difficult for you guys to wait for the next vlog to see the final reveal of the house and of the Diwali decorations. But please just bear with me, you guys. I started way too last minute, and now it's really just, it's giving me such a hard time, and it's more difficult because when I have to film, I have to concentrate on filming, but right now I need to decorate, so I need to concentrate on decorating, you know. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video. In that video there's going to be the final reveal, the actual Diwali madness, and just a lot more. Oh, also I'm not 100% sure, but I might dye my hair in the next video. What color? I don't know yet, and you guys will just have to wait for the next vlog to figure it out. But thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the fun things. Comment, guys, literally, do you know, I read all of your comments. I think they are the sweetest things ever. So if you do watch the video till the end, comment something nice, comment something beautiful. I love reading the comments. But anyway, thank you so much for everything. I love you all. See you in the next one.